Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera scan QR codes on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, I'm going to go back to the main settings page, and then we scroll down and tap on camera. Next, in here, go down and tap on scan QR codes. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When we turn it on, we can use the camera to scan for a QR code. So here I launch the camera and I'm just going to try to scan it. You can see here when I use the camera, it shows a link. So this is a QR code of a link to open up to a website. So here I can tap on YouTube. This will open up the website or the app. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off camera use QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.